Which month is best for planting trees and shrubs? The answer might surprise you. Because if you were to look up when the majority of trees and shrubs are purchased, it would show you that most of them are purchased in the spring, which might make you believe that that's the best time to plant, when in reality, it's not. Ideally, most trees and shrubs are going to be planted in the fall, and there's one really big reason why you should do that. That's because the most stressful time for any newly planted tree or shrub is going to be actually the heat of summer, especially if you pair that summer heat with a prolonged drought. By planting in the fall, you're allowing your tree's root system to get more established before that summer heat kicks on. In fact, whenever people are coming in and purchasing their trees in April, which is our busy season here at the nursery, it's not long after that that we are starting to see the extreme hot temperatures and dry climate of summer. But by planting in September and October and November, you're allowing those trees' roots to grow all winter long. And even though the top of the tree is going to be dormant, those roots are still growing and active even during the colder parts of winter. So instead of your tree having a month to get ready for summer, it now has 7 or 8 months to get ready for summer. In fact, if we look at this chart of approximate survivability rates of trees planted during specific months, you'll see that ones planted in the fall have a much better rate of survival, which means that your investment that you're putting into these trees is going to be a lot more protected when you're planting them at the appropriate time. So remember, fall right now is the best time to plant trees.